Nowadays, when you don't have money, people they don't take you serious. You understand it? Even you are at meeting with other ladies, you don't have money. If maybe we have a point, you understand it? You raise your hand, you have a point. People they don't even take you serious. But a person who have got money, even that person doesn't talk anything sense. You understand it? People who claim them, we don't understand. But when you talk, you have a point. You don't have money. You have a point. You understand it? You are at meeting. They don't even take you serious or clap hands for you. But a person who have got money, you have got a Range Rover. You understand it? That person they clap hands for that person. Even he doesn't. That person doesn't talk something, not something sense. You understand it? Because guys, nowadays money is everything. Money is everything. Guys, when you don't have anything in the world, people they don't take you serious. Even in a family, you are at a function. You understand? When you don't have something to offer, or you don't have money or a car, you can wash the plates. You understand it? You can wash the plates because I don't understand why. I don't